So guys, hello and welcome to another video, and as you can see right behind me, this is actually the tarmac and runway view at Singapore's Changi Airport. And you guys can guess it right, this is the Crowne Plaza runway view room that we have here. So I'm going to show you guys what does the room look like, what is the room service like, and without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Let us have a look at the side table. We have a lovely lamp here along with a clock. And let's open up these drawers. They should be empty. Yes, they are. And over here is some more storage space if you need to. And the switch is right there. We have a king bed here, followed by a small couch and a nice coffee table. One more side table over there. And this is the designated workspace. This is a lot of space. It is really generous. We have a nice lamp over here, as well as the standard amenities like your plugs, the phone, as well as the in-room dining menu via the QR code, a reminder not to smoke. And this is the housekeeping service and the general letter, which most hotels do provide, as well as a nice chair. This is a TV. It looks a little small. I'm not gonna sit on the bed, I'm gonna sit on the couch, and it is a little small, but just for one night, this will definitely not be an issue. Moving on over here, this is where the bathrobes are stored. And yes, I'm filming this on my phone. Here is the pantry with the water, mugs, the cups. This is the kettle, as well as the standard coffee and tea packets with some spoons. This is a storage tray, and below here is the fridge. And I do realize a lot of hotels like to use the domestic brand. Let's move on to this side, is where the ironing board is. It's lovely if you like to iron your clothes. And I would assume that this is the distribution box. Over here is a more than sufficient amount of area for you to put your luggage. And that is the cart holder and the main door. So my room is room 911. This is the bathroom. And of course, what most people would pay for is the view. A full-blown runway view. Alright guys, this is the bathroom, and if you can see behind me, there is a bathtub there, which is awesome. Over here is the sink, as well as a tissue box. We have 2 more water bottles and 2 more cups. This should be a soap bar. Yes, it is. Over here we have 2 towels as well as some hand and body lotion. This is where you can charge your shaver. This is actually a speaker because it's connected to the TV outside. If you want to hear the TV while you're using the bathroom, let's say you're soaking in the bathtub, what you can actually just increase the volume and you can actually hear what is being broadcasted on the TV in here. We have 2 more bath towels down here along with the hair dryer. What is this? Oh, this is a weighing scale to measure your weight. Over here is the dustbin, another handle with a towel, and a frosted window. This is the wash closet with tissue, the telephone, and the standing shower, as well as a rain shower, and the typical soaps over here. And this is the lever for hot and cold water. That's denoted by the color here. So you can know which direction to change it to if you want to adjust the temperature. And of course, the best part is the bathtub. And over here is where you can adjust the temperature of the water. This is actually a blind that can be controlled from the inside. So if you actually lift it up, so that is going to be it for this amazing bathroom.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, I am in this restaurant called Cozz in Changi Airport, Jewel. Right now I just ordered dinner, so we're gonna wait for it to come. This is what it looks like because I'm actually in the corner seat right now. In fact, this is the wall behind me. So let's have a look around. Yeah, as you can see, it is really crowded. Thankfully, we made a reservation, so we were able to get our seat without waiting much. So just gotta wait for a while, and dinner will start.